Hello everybody, and let's continue the nomenclature. I hope the second last session or maybe one more session will be there. So let's continue the IUPAC rule for monocyclic IUPAC rule for monocyclic compounds. So IUPAC rule for monocyclic compound. Okay, so please write there, if the rule number 1, if both open and close chains are present, then select the longest carbon chain that contains maximum number of main functional group. Longest carbon chain that contains the maximum number of main functional group, multiple bond substituent. Second rule, if both open chain and closed chain are identical, then closed chain gets more priority over the open chain. Closed chain gets more priority over the open chain. So let's take a question that will make it more clear. Let's say the first cyclic compound is this. So यहाँ पे if you just recall, यहाँ पे 3 carbon है and cyclic है. If you do one cut, then it will become an open chain. So this is, so if you just go through the word root is here. Again, if you just go through the IUPAC rule, so cyclo is the 1 degree prefix that we use for cyclic compound, and word root is 3, so it's a prop. So we call this as a cyclo. This is our prefix that we use for cyclic compound. Then prop between carbon 3 bond. There is a 3 carbon total, 1 2 3, and ANE लास्ट का E हट के, तो यहाँ पे between carbon single bond, so cyclopropane is the, यहाँ पे कोई ब्रांच नहीं, यहाँ पे सारा क्लोज चेन ही है, तो उस रूल का कुछ यूज नहीं हुआ. If I take this, let's say, so just see, open chain मतलब क्या हो गया, ये वाला हो गया open chain में एक ही कार्बन है, closed chain में we have 5 carbon. So the longest carbon should be taken, the will have a higher priority. So here cyclic will have a higher priority, so this will be given. So now this open chain will be branched, so 1 2 3 4 5. So you write 1 methyl cyclopentane, cyclo 5 carbon pent between carbon single bond ANE, or you just write methyl cyclopentane, that is also correct. 1, no need to give 1. Okay, let's say third question, if I take this one. So just count, in open chain we have a 1 carbon here in open chain 2 carbon, in a cyclic chain we have 5 carbons. So जिसके पास more number of carbon होगा, that will be the parent chain. So here cyclic one has got 5 carbons, so that is my parent chain. Now these two are branched. So from where to start numbering? So here again both are symmetrical, so we'll start numbering from the symmetrical position, from the alphabetic order. So ethyl will get the lowest numbering, then this 2. So 1 ethyl, 2 methyl cyclopentane. Okay, so 1 ethyl, this group is ethyl, 2 methyl cyclopentane. Next question is, so please try these questions then. Basic rule, I have explained it. Okay, now let me try this. So here, just see, we have open chain, we have a closed chain, but closed chain contains the functional group OH. So closed chain will have a higher priority. And it's a OH means it's alcohol, so parent name will end with all. I hope अभी तक सबको याद हो गया होगा. So here, so this is highest priority. So this is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So we'll go from this side because ethyl will have a lower numbering because of alphabetic order. So this will be 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, cyclopent, 1 all. Oh sorry, cyclopent between carbon carbon single bond, so ANE, 1 all. Okay. Or you can just write cyclopentanol. 1, no need to give 1 because OH has got highest priority, so it will always be given number 1 only. Okay. So try this then. Again, yes, symmetrical position था, इधर से भी 1, 2, 3, इधर से भी 1, 2, 3. So this is given. अगर but basic rule क्या है? Lowest summation rule we are always following. Try this question. We will discuss this. This one. So now see here, the OH is having the highest priority here. OH is a function which is highest priority. It is attached to open chain. So now open chain will become the parent chain. The cyclic compound will become the branch. So here write this is 1, and so this is my branch here because OH is attached to the parent chain. OH is attached to the parent chain. Okay. So here OH will attach to parent chain. So now इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? It's a branch, तो it's a cyclopent and it's a pent between carbon carbon single bond. तो pent it's a branch, so last में YL आना चाहिए, तो cyclopentyl. Then now there is one carbon, so meth and AN all, तो cyclopentyl methanol. One दिया, that is one cyclopentyl methane 1 all, that is also correct, no wrong there. Okay. Now let's say here, so same way, now you try these questions now. Main functional group multiple bond branch. So main functional group किसमें? Open chain में है, तो that is parent chain. If main functional group is in the cyclic part, so that is your parent chain. You can see here the multiple bond is in the open chain. The open chain will be your parent chain. So accordingly name this. Okay. So this is the rule number 2. Now rule number 3. if multiple bond is present, rule number 3, if multiple bond is present in ring, then multiple bond should be in between two successive numbers, and that already we have discussed this in our the basic rule that we have done. Okay, so try this names. Here the cyclic part contains the multiple bond. The cyclic one will be your parent chain. Okay. Fourth rule. Try these questions. Fourth rule. If more than two substituents are present, then according to minimum summation rule, minimum sum rule, that already we have done it. Okay. So try these names then. Okay. Rule number 5. If carbon containing main functional group, is directly attached with the ring, then carbon of main functional group will not be included in the longest chain. While selecting the longest chain, meaning, let's see, if we do 1 and 2 example, it will be more clear. So just see, carbon containing main functional group कौन से हैं? So remember, we have COH, COCl means carboxylic acid, acid chloride, acid amide, ester, aldehyde, cyanide. They are carbon containing main functional group. So if carbon containing main functional group है, then this is not counted in the will not be included in the longer chain while selecting the longest chain here. Okay, so here this name will be, so how do we write? So cyclic के लिए cyclo, then 3 carbon है तो prop, between carbon single bond, so ANE, लास्ट का E हटा देंगे हम लोग, तो cyclopropane 1 carboxylic acid, तो 1 carboxylic, तो इसके लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे 1 carboxylic acid. दिस इज ऑन द फर्स्ट कार्बन. ठीक है, तो दोनों में डिफरेंस देखना जब उन्होंने किया. ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन देन. So it's a carbaldehyde. Its name will be again cyclopent, between carbon single bond ANE, लास्ट का ही हटाना है, then 1 carbaldehyde. Okay, if we have this one, so here this will be your hydroxy group. This is branch, this is main functional group. So 2 hydroxy cyclopentane 1 carboxylic acid. Just see, Next is if so here this its name will पहला नाम इसका लिखेंगे हम लोग, so ethyl, then 1 2 oxo, then cyclo pent an cyclo cyclopentane 1 carboxylate. Okay, so now try this. When aldehyde is not counted in main chain, its name is formyl. So out of ketone, this and this is your main highest, means functional group which has got highest priority. So these are the branches. Accordingly, you have to name the compound. Let's say next is here. Here just see both open chain और क्लोज चेन में दोनों में कीटोनिक ग्रुप है, तो एंड दोनों, तो उस केस में the closed chain has to be given higher priority. तो closed chain का priority अधिक होगा, तो उस केस में नाम क्या हो जाएगा? So this is, तो ये branch हो जाएगा, तो this is 1 2 3 4, this is 1 2, so 2 3 2 के बाद 3 oxo and 4 carbons of butyl. For branch always YL, then cyclo X between carbon carbon single bond ONE, और cyclohexane 1 नहीं लिखा तब भी चलेगा, cyclohexane. Okay. Next is next section is cyclic ether. Next is eutheric cyclic ether. Cyclic ether अगर cyclic ether है, if it is a open chain, it is epoxy. Its name is epoxy. If it is a closed chain, it is oxa. Okay, like here, if I take this CH2 CH2OO, so if I check if I take these two as an open chain 1 2, so we here write 1 2 epoxy, because first और second कार्बन पे साइक्लिक इथर है O, तो 1 2 epoxy इसके नाम हो गया, और ये हो गया 2 है कार्बन, तो इथ बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, लाइक दिस. तो वही तुमने इसको साइक्लिक में लिया, तो ऑलवेज O शुड बी गिवन द हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी. सो दिस इज 1 2 3, सो 3 कार्बन है तो साइक्लोप्रोपेन होगा, और 1 पे ऑक्सा ग्रुप है, सो इट इज नेम्ड एज 1 ऑक्सा साइक्लोप्रोपेन बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड. Okay. Similarly, if you name this one, एक तो अगर तुमने ओपन चेन लिया इट विल बी 1 2 3, सो 1,2 इपॉक्सी, 3 है कार्बन तो प्रॉप between carbon carbon single bond ANE. If you take this as a cyclic chain, so this is given higher, O has been given higher, so this is 1 2 3, so 2 methyl ये ब्रांच हो जाएगा, 3 है तो देन 1 ऑक्सा, देन 3 है तो साइक्लो प्रोप ANE. ओके, सो दीज आर द, जो भी तुमको चूज करना है कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ट्राई दिस so try these names. कोई एक सिस्टम फॉलो करो. Okay, so try these names. Now, after this, the rules for IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic compound. Or let me, so give that in. Rules for IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic compound. So quickly we'll do this also. So first rule for aromatic compound में जो बेंजीन रिंग से कनेक्टेड हो, सबको आई थिंक याद है व्हाट इज बेंजीन रिंग. तो 6, दिस इज कॉल्ड बेंजीन रिंग. दिस वन आइदर यू राइट दिस वे और यू राइट दिस वे. दिस इज कॉल्ड बेंजीन रिंग. So please, a first rule: if all the functional group present in benzene ring, if all the functional group is present in benzene ring are such which are normally treated as substituent group, are such which are generally treated as substituent group, then follow first lowest summation rule, second alphabetic order. Second rule: if benzene ring is used at a parental chain, second rule, if benzene ring is used as a parental chain, then use benzene in place of word root while if it is parent, or if it is used as a branch then use phenyl. So let me take question will make it more clear. Question is this one: BrCl ठीक है, these are the names. तो क्या नाम लिखेंगे हम लोग इसका? So here again Cl, Br, NO2, they are common substituent that we follow. If they are common substituent, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 1, 2, 3. Then alphabetic order. तो 1 bromo, 3 chloro, benzene. So its name will be 1 bromo, 3 chloro, benzene. Continuous. 3 chloro, 1 bromo, benzene नहीं होगा. यहाँ भी NO2 is general substituent. यहाँ भी nitro chloro. तो 1, 2, 3, 4. This numbering will be there. So 2,4 dinitro, 1 chloro, 2,4 dinitro benzene. Okay. Let's say if we have in next question, this is nitro chloro. तो यहाँ पे lowest summation 1, 2, 3. If you take anything else, the summation rule will be different. So here 2 chloro, 1 methyl, 3 nitro benzene. Okay. In fact, this can be also written as, this is also known as the toluene. Means this one, agar if I go, the trivial name is also followed. This group is also called toluene. Toluene. Okay. So इसका भी नाम हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कि this benzene plus this becomes toluene. So another name that could be possible, 2 chloro, 3 nitro toluene. Okay. यहाँ पे तीनों ब्रांच है. This is 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पे 2 bromo, 1, 3 dichloro benzene. Okay. Here another which I like you to know, this position when we will go means this position. Let's say we have a benzene ring है, benzene ring से attached एक group है, any group. So with respect to this position, these two positions are symmetrical. So this is called ortho position. This is O for ortho. These two positions are called meta, M for meta, and one position are para. इसका नाम हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं कि this one, its name, that is also possible. Okay. So BrCl. So this is the group. इसमें हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी Br का है, तो उसके रेस्पेक्ट में हम लोग पोजीशन देखेंगे. यहाँ पे ऑर्थो, दिस इज मेटा, दिस इज पैरा. सो विल राइट हियर इसके रेस्पेक्ट में जो हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी उसके बगल वाला ऑर्थो. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड मेटा M क्लोरो ब्रोमो बेंजीन. M क्लोरो ब्रोमो बेंजीन. That is also quite possible. Okay. Second rule, ये तो गया फर्स्ट रूल. ये अब टॉलवीन, दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड टॉलवीन. ये याद रखना है. सेकेंड रूल is right. When a substituent is such which when taken together with the benzene ring gives a special name to the molecule. Like अभी किया हमने benzene ring and CH3, so that is toluene, so it gives a special name. So when a substituent when a substituent is such which when taken together with benzene ring gives a special name to the molecule, then it is named as a derivative of that molecule. Then it is named as a derivative of that molecule with the substituent at position 1. Okay, for example, let's say we have OMe, this is Cl, this is CH3. यहाँ पे देखो benzene ring along with OMe, it's a special name, anisole. Benzene ring with CH3 is called toluene. ठीक है, इन दोनों में इसका प्रायोरिटी अधिक है, तो हम लोग इसके अकॉर्डिंग नाम देंगे. दिस इज 1, दिस ऑल 1, 2, 4. सो 2 chloro 4 methyl anisole. 2 chloro 4 methyl anisole. Somebody can also write this way, ortho meta para. So there, this is इसके रेस्पेक्ट में से ऑर्थो, दिस इज मेटा, दिस इज पैरा. सो ऑर्थो क्लोरो पैरा मिथाइल anisole. Okay, so this name is possible. Next question is और ये तुमको याद रखना है कि दिस टुगेदर Me मीन्स मिथाइल. यहाँ पे अगेन इफ यू जस्ट सी बेंजीन with OH is called phenol. So this is a parental name which is having higher priority. So it is, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3,4 dimethyl phenol. Somebody can also write here 1 hydroxy means lowest summation rule. तो 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 यहाँ से lowest summation rule. तो 1, 2, so 1, 2 dimethyl 4 hydroxy benzene. That is also possible. अगर किसी ने नंबरिंग किसी ने बेंजीन के टर्म्स में किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hydroxy 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Okay, but this is, ये पहले अभी यूज नहीं करते हम लोग. यहाँ पे हम लोग हाइड्रोक्सी को हटा के, बिकॉज हाइड्रोक्सी हैज बीन गिवन द हायर प्रायोरिटी, तो दिस कैन बी नेम्ड एज बेंजीन. लास्ट पे हटा के ऑल, तो बेंजीनॉल. बेंजीनॉल मीन्स OH. OH इज अल्कोहल, तो बेंजीनॉल. तो 1, 2 सॉरी फिर वहाँ पे 1, 2 नहीं होगा, फिर वहाँ पे जाएगा 3,4 डाइमिथाइल बेंजीनॉल और फिनॉल. Okay, so that is possible naming. Okay, like here if we have this group NH2 CH3, so benzene along with NH2, this is named as aniline. This is named as aniline. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? So 1, 2, so 2 methyl aniline, or we can also write 2 methyl देन बेंजीन अमाइन, ये बेंजीन हो गया, उसके साथ ये तो अमाइन हो गया, तो बेंजीन अमाइन, और इसके रेस्पेक्ट में ये ऑर्थो पोजीशन हो गया, तो ऑर्थो मिथाइल एनिलीन. So these are the common name which is very popular. Okay. Let's say next is so try these questions then. Please write the next rule, then we'll do these two sums. When benzene is attached to an aliphatic chain, when benzene ring is attached to aliphatic chain having functional group, it is named as phenyl derivative of the aliphatic compound. Or if benzene ring is attached with a saturated hydrocarbon chain, तो यहाँ पे देखो saturated 1, यहाँ पे भी, so now this will be phenyl, तो 1 2 3 4 5, so 2 3 dibromo 1 phenyl pentane, यहाँ भी this is aldehyde group, highest priority is 1 2 3 4, so 4 phenyl 3 hydroxy butanol. Okay, so these names you can write here. Next rule, when an aromatic compound contains two or more functional group, when aromatic compounds contain two or more functional group, aromatic means benzene को हम we call aromatic, benzene compounds are called aromatic compounds. Okay, so when an aromatic compound contains two or more functional group, it is named as a derivative, it is named as a derivative of the compound with the principal functional group at position 1. जैसे भी ये COOH NO2. Now here main functional group हो गया, तो benzene attached with this is called benzoic acid. So here इसको 1 होगा, this is 4, then 4 nitro benzoic acid. अभी यहाँ पे OH NH2, so which is main functional group, OH is main functional group, so OH with benzene is phenol, so this is 1 2, so 2 amino phenol, or this can be also para nitro benzoic acid, this is ortho amino phenol, that is also possible. So please लिखना वो खुद से, मैं अभी सिर्फ मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है, पॉज करके तुम खुद से लिखो. So try these names then. Here benzene attached with aldehyde is called benzaldehyde. Benzene attached with this is called benzaldehyde. तो ये सब नाम तुमको याद होना चाहिए. Okay. Next is aromatic hydrocarbon. Next, give the heading aromatic. ये तो तुमको हो गया aromatic के लिए. Now aromatic hydrocarbon. That is also called arenes. Aromatic hydrocarbon, that is called arenes. Okay. Hydrocarbon which, please write, hydrocarbon which contain both aliphatic and aromatic. Hydrocarbon which contains both aliphatic and aromatic units are called arenes. Aliphatic meaning open chain, ओपन सैचुरेटेड कार्बन. सैचुरेटेड किसको बोलते हैं? जिसमें सारे सिंगल बॉन्ड हो बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन. तो हाइड्रोकार्बन विच कंटेन्स बोथ एरोमेटिक एंड एलिफेटिक यूनिट्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एरीन्स. सो लेट्स से लाइक हियर इफ आई जस्ट राइट दिस इज, इट्स नेम इज बेंजीन, दिस इज मिथाइल बेंजीन, दिस इज benzene, this is methyl benzene or toluene, toluene. Okay. Next is this is 1,2. So here 1,2-dimethyl benzene, 1,2-dimethyl benzene, और this is also called ऑर्थो है तो ऑर्थोजाइलिन. ये सब नाम याद रहे तो अच्छा है. जाइलिन बेंजीन से दो मिथाइल ग्रुप ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे, विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू ईच अदर दे आर एट ऑर्थो पोजीशन. तो ये सब नाम याद रखो, ठीक है ना. एक दिन में याद नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू लुक. This is 1,3-dimethyl benzene or this is metaxylene. Ortho, meta, para. So metaxylene. Okay. This is 1,4. 1,4-dimethyl benzene or this is paraxylene. This is ortho, meta and para. So this is paraxylene. दोनों नाम लिखना है सबको. Next is so 1,3,5 benzene. 1,3,5. So this is also called mesitylene. This is also called mesitylene. Then next is CH2, CH3. So this is ethyl benzene. This is ethyl and this is benzene. Okay. Next is, तो वैसे ही तुम इसका भी नाम लिख सकते हो. Isopropyl benzene or 2-propyl benzene. So this is isopropyl. This is isopropyl group. So isopropyl benzene. It is also known as cumene. Cumene, one of the important reactant which is used for phenol, the commercial method for the preparation of phenol. Okay. Next is, after this we have a aryl group. So ये हो गया aromatic hydrocarbons. Now second is aryl. Give the heading aryl group. What is aryl group? Aryl group here C6H5. or this one. This is called, both are same. This is phenyl. If we have this attached with CH2, this is benzyl. This is benzyl. Benzo. This is orthotoluene. This is ortho position. This is orthotoluene. Okay, like here, if I take a question here, this is chlorobenzene. Okay, लिखते जाना सब, मैं पीछे नहीं देख रहा बार बार, so keep on writing. This is 1,2-dichlorobenzene, ClCl. This one is 2-chlorotoluene. Okay, metachlorotoluene, sorry, orthochlorotoluene. ठीक है, तो वही Cl यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, तो दिस विल बी मेटा टॉलवीन. Cl यहाँ पे आ गया, तो वही अगर CH2Cl, अभी देखो ये इससे, सो दिस इज बेंजाइल क्लोराइड, बेंजाइल क्लोराइड, और ओपन चेन में है तो दिस विल पैरेंट चेन, तो फेनाइल क्लोरोमीथेन. फेनाइल अगेन पहले हो जाएगा क्लोरोफेनाइल, 1 क्लोरो 1 फेनाइल मीथेन. ओके, यहाँ पे 2 है तो CHClCl, तो दिस विल बी बेंजल. 2 के लिए देखो, जब 2 ग्रुप है तो इसके लिए नाम है बेंजल, और यहाँ पे 2 है क्लोराइड, तो बेंजल डाइक्लोराइड, बेंजल डाइक्लोराइड. और फेनाइल डाइक्लोरोमीथेन, फेनाइल डाइक्लोरोमीथेन. नेक्स्ट इज द लास्ट वन, CHCl3. तो क्या है, तो फेनाइल ट्राइक्लोरोमीथेन, और सेकेंड बेंजो ट्राइक्लोराइड, बेंजो ट्राइक्लोराइड, और फेनाइल ट्राइक्लोरोमीथेन. ओके, so we will actually one more lecture will be needed because it will be, the length of the video will increase, so I'll stop here. One more lecture is required, so we'll do in the next class. Thank you.